Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, your magnificent Meg. I welcome you, my magnificent beauty, today. So quickly guys, I'm going to show you how I make my avocado oil. Avocado is in its season, so it's best that you make good use of it. So here I have two fresh overripe avocados. Yeah, just allow them to be fully ripe. Don't mind if they get too soft, but make sure they are not rotting. Yes, two healthy looking avocados. Don't mind that. We want to make the oil out of it and not to eat it. So there, sorry guys, I use my pot. I really want a steel surface. So what I did is to get my the flesh of the avocado out, as you see there in the picture, in the video rather. And I'm going to be mashing that. Yeah, if you can blend it and pour it, but while blending, please don't add water to it. So because I don't want to do that, that's why I'm mashing with my hands. And while I'm mashing, I'm spreading it out as well. Guys, avocado is a good superfood. It's an amazing superfood. It's good for both body, skin, and hair. I'll be showing you subsequently how to make avocado seed and the skin oil for hair. It's also good for the skin as well. So guys, I'll be taking out every impurities, every black spots and lump in it. Yes guys, and make sure I spread it evenly. Why I spread it, let me just run through the benefits of this avocado oil. This avocado oil is a carrier oil because it is pressed from the flesh of the fruits, guys. It contains vitamin C, beta carotene, vitamin D, protein, fatty acid, and lecithin. Yes guys, so what I did is spread it and I allowed it to stay in an air area. It's really hot this period. You can put it under the sun, but if you don't want to, so it doesn't breed bacteria, put it under the sun. But if you have any area in your kitchen or passage that you have air, plenty of air, you can just keep it there for it to dry down. And you see it changing its color. Do not mind if it start changing its color. All you have to do is to just stir it maybe each day. You just go and stir it. Make sure it's thin. Mine is a little thick. Make sure you make it too thin, on a thin surface. Yes guys, this oil is really good. It moisturizes the skin. It acts as natural sunblock. It calms itchy skin. It heals chapped skin. It replenishes dry skin. It protects against skin damages. Yes, it increases collagen metabolism. It heals wounds. You can use it on your wounds and it will heal your wound. So guys, this is it after 2 days. Yes, this is it after 2 days, and you can see how dark it has become. No, we are not going to eat this. We want to extract the oil. And if you can see, I made sure that green fleshy part is no longer there. It's purely dried. And as you can feel, like you can see the oil already is ready to be cold pressed. Yes guys, it's ready to be cold pressed. So this oil also prevents and treats acne. It treats sunburn. Yes, for those of us who have sunburn, it treats sunburn and it reduces signs of aging. It's anti-aging. So guys, you just look for your cheesecloth or a sieve, but this is better. I got a clean handkerchief and I'm transferring my dry avocado down to my handkerchief so that I can extract. This is where you need all the energy in the world right now, because you start pressing out by yourself. So this is the quantity I got for two avocados, sorry. This is what I got for two avocado, guys. And after turning everything out, I will start squeezing out my oils without wasting time. Do not sleep on it. It's the season. Make sure you get an avocado and try it out yourself. Yes, it's good for your hair, it's good for your body, it's good for your skin. So let's get into the big job of extracting this oil. So you need all the strength in this world. All you have to do is to start pressing out. While you're pressing out the oil, as you can see, the oil is coming out. Press out, keep turning, keep pressing with every pressure you need to press out the oil. Yes, guys, and for this two avocados, I got like yes, guys, I got that amount. I got that amount after pressing it. Yes, this is what I got, guys. I got this. As you can see, it's very rich, fresh, and yeah, you can heat it under your oven if you want to just get it, but you know you lose some of the vital benefits because you overheat it, and you lose some minerals, vital minerals in this. So we don't want to do that. We want to use all of his goodness. So after squeezing, this is not all I got, but for time's sake, I'm just showing you what a little of it. After this, then you look for a clean container, properly washed, please, cleaned container, and store in your products. This is just 3 cl 3 cl of oil. The bottle is 3 cl, so I have to look for another container to fill it in. So guys, do not sleep on this. Try it yourself and you will love it. Try it on your hair. If you have any sunburn scars on your face, it will fade it out. It serves as natural sunblock, yes, sunscreen. So go ahead and try it out. I love and celebrate you guys. Bye.